lagi spangut ki brio baduna ki dukhat mat kum juru ki riu teman ki bala khamno ka kerta ki basham jing e ban yat minta ka singi kla yo priang ki tiar jing ram kum ki wheelchair ki kali lai shaka ki tiar rap ban yo sngo ki ding do bat ki be hadien baka Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India Alimco hapo ka jingpe jangkatanat empowerment of person with disabilities Div Yangjan Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment jangka sarkar India menta ka singi kala sam e ya kite kitiar ha ka jingalang kablalong ha omling siana di blong ya kani ka program la blong menta ka singi ha boro ka wekari India bla tip kum ka samajing adhikarita shivir ha ki nyop santali ki jaka pa pher kari India pan sam e ya kite kitiar shaki paduna dukhat men bat kumju ru shakiriu teman lingba ga scheme EDIP bat RVY jangka sarkar India bat tang hari bhoi district kiladan kumba 8,000 duna kibala itho bat tang menta ka sngi kidan kumba sanspa ngod e kibala yo priang ya kite kitiar la sakhiru hakani ka sngi da ka jingdon lang uba sustenance sorten menteri ka tanat CNRD badeiru MLA ka jirang kumukongsan ha ka jingdon lang ko kong Rona Kimden MDC ka Nongpo kum ka Sembot Kongsan Abhilash Paranwal DC Ribhai Shri Anupam Prakash Deputy General Manager Alimco Prakash Singh Manager Alimco Ringkat kibe ki Officer Sarkar
Yale Indonesia tanggal sudah bangin kerjanya lari yang lagi telan hajing lamret nisngau dupo.
Proud moment for Libhoi that we are part of that 75 districts where this program is being hosted today collectively. So thank you Alimco for that. Simultaneously, but more than that, thank you Alimco for being so active in ensuring that the people with disabilities get their adequate support. They have conducted thorough assessments across the district. More than 2,000 beneficiaries have been identified, out of which almost 500 beneficiaries will be getting their aids and appliances today.
Kiba en samno syaki long shong ki jogi kiba la dang ambagla mde dang ya kiba don jingduna ha ki do khot met jogi ane kita ki disabled person and re kande ro na banta ki senior citizen rane ya ki long mi ya ki long shong ki jogi kiba la kham san khakata no kiba don kam ya ki negitia bangkam pensuk yaki hagale kawan ngadang yo banya songkai haswa basdang ke program diwan bikong yo yang ngaru kin ai konkret ya kane kesuki tamba yo tiap nganang ne emban pendon kam dengan karai we bala yo ya kamar di we bala yo ya tiap emban pendon kam tesu nang di ka kateka kaneka wheelchair dan kaneka ya kabatin ayah pila dapila yo balik rahyeng pinsanang berpendon kami ka ban ngasno ya kapan ay ka burong ngaso ban ay ka cinyaro ya kaneka Alimco kaba de ka nodal agency kabala pempiat pempiang kabala no smubha syabaro ki nong shong ki jongi ki badon kam ya kini ityar
that is organizing, and we are the luckiest district because it is included in one of the 75. Kani ka program kapala penlong daka district social welfare ringkat bat ka Alimco kadai nakabensa kumnoban ay kita kijingera kumki syuki kita ki wheelchair nakabenta ki disabled person with disabilities, nangta kumjuru yaki senior citizens. Ini ke program kalong kaba gijimut hado kata-kata hakaba ka sorkar nado ka central government hado ka state government kidon ya kata ka tong naga benta kumno ban boy lane ban reach out syabaro ki citizens lane ki nong song jong kari India bat haka jela kajungi hibro koi ngiso kumen habang iyo maniadon lang kum hagani ka program kade shibenta ban aimen sim lane ka encouragement kumayong ba ki person able person or person with disabilities. Ngide ki breu, ngide ki jintau ki jong play, ngidon hakaju kabenta, hakaba ngidon kam yek respect, banyak purom mat kalian, kesorkar kepersangkat bala, kumno ban lebha, kumno ban yerap, nak kebenca kejimdan kam kejong pi paro.